Good morning everyone, and welcome back to some more new video here on the Zap Crazy YouTube channel. We are cruising down Roscoe Boulevard headed to the 405 right now, trying to make our way to work. It is a federal holiday, MLK Day, so traffic I'm expecting will be light. We'll see if we catch any red light runners or any bad driver behavior up here on the freeway. So thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll chime in if anything exciting or ridiculous happens. Excuse me. Yellow, and that truck is running the red light.